The project is finally done, but let's do a quick summary of what took place. So you'll remember that the walls were, like some part of the walls were damp. So what I did was that I started with damp proofing the walls. So I did that by scraping and also putting on some grit stone. And then once that dried up, I put on some damp shield, and then I sanded the walls so that they could be smooth for painting. So once I completed this side, I moved over to the other side of the basement because there's two sides. So what I did was that I did the same thing, damp proofed the side, painted, and this is how it turned out. This side of the room, the idea is to have a walk-in closet, but for now, since that is in the pipelines, for now what I've done is that I have organized all the stuff that was the side, so it was more shoes and clothes. So what I did is that I used clear storage containers and organized everything. As you can see here, we also have books in those clear storage boxes so that it's easy to access. On this other side of the basement, I've created a young office space there so that a person working from home and studying can use it. And then I've also put in a mirror there and some flowers to brighten up the room. And this side, I have packed all the books that are currently being used. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button for notifications on more of these revamps because they are definitely coming. And thank you so much for following this series. If you haven't yet, please catch up on the previous episodes to see how this room looked before. Bye!